Hello everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Ribbit here. Today is another cold, blustery day. My goodness, it started out as rain and it's now little ice pellets. But that's fine because today is my day off and I've planned this recipe. Today we're going to make chicken livers with tagliatelle. Yes, this recipe comes from northern Italy. Very simple to make. I had a time finding the tagliatelle noodles, but I did find them at the last place I went shopping. So there we go. That's a signature part of this dish. And some Marsala for a little bit of taste. These are all the ingredients in there, so let's get started. Right, starting off on a hot skillet, let's melt some butter. Turn down the heat to medium. Now we're going to cook this. Butter's melted, heat stabilized at medium-high. We're going to sweat out the garlics for a little bit. A couple minutes in, we need the sage, as well as this. We got the chilies, the anchovies, and the capers. A couple minutes in, add a little splash of chicken stock, and continue cooking. After a few minutes, we've fished out the garlics, and now we're going to add the chicken livers. And we got to cook them well. The livers are about halfway done, so now we're going to infuse it with just a little bit of Marsala. Alright, we're still cooking, just short of medium-high. It's time for some flat leaf parsley. Liver's almost ready. Another splash of Marsala. And now we're going to put the tagliatelle into the boiling water. Alright, so we've cooked the tagliatelle 5 minutes and it's al dente, and now what we want to do is bring it over in here, and we want it to have some of the pasta water in there. Okay, so let's get this over so I don't make a bigger mess than I already have, and we'll get the pasta in there and we'll mix it all up. Oh God, this looks good. And I'll tell you folks, it smells very interesting. Interesting in a good way though. Nothing overpowering anything else. Chickeny, buttery, there's some garlic in there. Honestly, the anchovies have disappeared, the scent or the smell. So, alright, let's finish mixing it and let's get it plated up. Alright, so we have a bowl of steaming goodness. But it's not done. We got to go ahead and garnish it. First, what we got here is some ground black pepper, and apparently we want to be generous with that. Okay, and then the crowning achievement is that grated fresh Romano cheese, imported from Italy. Yes, that looks about right. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. Smells good, like the cheese part. Alright, so here we go. Let's give it a try. Got a little piece of cheese in there. Definitely want to have some of the pasta. And a nice piece of chicken liver. I do love chicken livers. Oh, what a big bite. Let's try it. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. The liver is coming through. When I bit it through, I got a little background of anchovy. Not a lot. It cooked out. The sage is wonderful. The parsley brightens it up a little bit. I got a bite from the one chili pepper I threw in there. Can't taste the capers at all, but I'm sure they're there. Romano cheese and the black pepper definitely highlight this dish. Very good, people. I would definitely make it again. Very simple, and with the exception of the Romano cheese, very frugal. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.